Okay, so this is just a quick video on Snow White and how to put her on. So what you want to do with the collar piece is go ahead and snap it in on one side. It's going to make it a lot easier rather than put the dress on and then snap it on. So what I did here is snapped it on only on the one side, which is right here at the back, sorry. And then one snap right here at the shoulder. And then there's gonna be another snap right here at the very front, okay? So kind of just a quick overview. You'll see the snaps on the other side here. This side only has 2 snaps, okay? So you've got the one here, which is gonna go right at the shoulder, okay? And then you're gonna have the other one here, which is gonna go right under here, okay? Let's see. I'm gonna try to see if I can do this with one hand. Makes it a little difficult. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and snap it. Okay. And then go around to the front here and snap. This front piece is kind of hard. Hold on. My camera's gonna be a little weird because I'm one-handed. I promise it's a lot easier. It's just hard to do when you have a camera in one hand. There we go, I got that snap. Okay, so now you got everything snapped away. Once you get the collar all snapped in, then you can go ahead and reinforce your laces back here, okay? Lace it all the way up, okay? And then once you get it all laced up, you're good to go, okay? I'm gonna do, let's see. I'm gonna do one more video for the Evil Queen. And then real quick, another video on how to get the cape on. It's not hard. It's just, you know, it's got some snaps as well, just like the collar does, but I'll be doing that one next.